I'm here at our location at 71 Union Avenue in Sudbury, Massachusetts, where we'll be hosting our open house event, Machine Fest 2023, on October 4th and 5th. In this 125,000 square foot building, this not only houses our production facility, but also our New England showroom. During the event, we'll be having live cutting demos. You'll have access to 25 plus of our vendors and suppliers showing you their latest technology and innovations. We'll also have two of our channel partners, Zeiss Metrology and Beamer Laser Marking Systems. So please click the link below or scan the QR code. You can register for the event. We look forward to seeing you here.